Printing on mesh and other porous substrates is easy with the EFI Pro 32R. The integrated mesh kit power tool lets you print without getting ink on the printing table. First, open the set of integrated mesh wings with the push of a button. Then, you place the special blotting cloth along the printing table. This will absorb the excess ink that seeps through the mesh. When the media is loaded, it is elevated to accommodate the thickness of the blotting cloth. You're ready for printing. After printing is completed, simply remove the blotting cloth. Your table remains perfectly clean and you're ready for the next print job. With the EFI Pro 32R integrated mesh kit power tool, printing on porous substrates is fast, easy, and clean, maximizing productivity and throughput.